Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2013 Harley-Davidson Dyna Y-Glide with only 31,085 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. This Y-Glide is now a hot rod style trike, offering mean performance and custom style on the stability of 3 wheels. It's been upgraded with a Frankenstein trike kit with an independent rear suspension, brake triple clamps, Cobra Neighbor Hater exhaust, Screaming Eagle heavy breather stage 1 intake, Mustang solo seat with a detachable backrest, Baker DD7 7-speed transmission, oil pressure gauge, Roland Sands Clarity Cam cover, forward controls, 7-inch T-bar handlebars, detachable fairing, Avon grips, a luggage rack, LCD speedometer and tachometer, love jug cylinder cooling fans, breakout front wheel, LED headlight, LED turn signals, 4-point docking hardware, an engine guard, Roland Sands fork boot covers, and an adjustable front suspension. The Y-Glide is straightforward and uncluttered, showcasing decades of refined custom style. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Y-Glide puts 100 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It has a 25.5 inch seat height, and in stock form weighs in at 647 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.